If you haven't watched the first part, please watch that first. Join here to be fluent in Malay ASAP. Awak nak? Awak nak? Do you want? Listen to the question and answer. Awak nak air? Awak nak air? Awak nak nasi lemak? Awak nak nasi lemak? Awak nak roti canai? Awak nak roti canai? Awak nak makan? Awak nak makan? Awak nak minum? Awak nak minum? The more you repeat this exercise, the faster you will be able to speak without thinking. In the next episode, we will learn another pattern, dah or belum. Terima kasih kerana belajar bersama I Learn Malay. Sampai jumpa lagi.